Hello friends, my name is Rodia and today we are going to learn how to use Anime.js. So first you'll have to go to your web browser and search for Anime.js, and after you search for it, you should open this browser and it should show this. Then click download. After that, you'll have to scroll down and click this manual download button. Then you extract it and then you have to open it. And after that, you should see all of these. So you're going to want to copy all of these into VS Code. So after that, you want to create a HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files. In the HTML file, just write DOC, and after that, change the title. After that, add H1, and then its class is going to be Anime. So after that, go to body and then it's script src. So then you will have to write anime.bin.js. Then you have to write script src, and then you have to write the name of your JavaScript file. Now we'll have to go to CSS and then write .anime. Then we'll write width 100, height 100. Also add px. So then we're going to change the background color to blue. After that, you should copy the path and paste it in your browser. And remember to link your HTML file to CSS. So then, after you reload it, you should see this blue square. Now go to the JavaScript file, then write anime. So after that, you'll have to write target. And then you will have to write the name of the class. We're going to write .anime. Make sure to add dots before the name of the class. Then you add a comma. Also add a semicolon here. So after that, you have to write translate x. $100. Now save it and reload the browser. Then it will move here. And if you want to add anything else, you should add a comma. So that also translates Y, which changes the Y. So that is the end of today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell. Bye!